from the legends of China that prior to this, the Chinese people venerated the stars and built their great system upon the stars. We know that when Muhammad entered Mecca and overthrew the idolatry that was there, he was attacking the ancient religion of the Near East, particularly of Arabia, Persia, and what we now call the Eastern Mediterranean. And this religion was Sabianism, the worship of the stars. We know that the earliest faiths that we have of Egypt indicate that they were preceded by an astronomical cult. We know this was true in the valley of the Euphrates. In other words, all of our religions as we know them rose among people who had previously worshipped nature, the heavens, the earth, the seasons, and similar sidereal phenomena. When the great Arya migrations in India moved down from the Trans-Himalayan area across the Indo-Gangetic plain to occupy India as we know it today, they moved in upon the Dravidian culture which already existed there. And Max Muller says the Dravids worshipped elements, planets, and stars. So Indian culture, as we know it, arose in an environment previously controlled by star worship. How does this happen? Where was this star worship? These people were not astronomers as we know them. They did not have the equipment. They could not have known the universe as we know it today. Yet their background was the worship of heavenly bodies, elements, and things of that nature. Several groups of researchers have tried to solve the basic mystery that this presents. And we always come back to the same inevitable, namely that the impression of these patterns arises from the constitution of the human being himself. Therefore, within the psychic field of man, as Paracelsus so broadly hints, there must be a concept according to the number 12, the mysterious dodecahedron, or 12-faced symmetrical solid, which to Pythagoras was the symbol of the universe. This has to exist as an archetypal energy symbol within the human being, the ultimate recognition that all things that happen within 12, or within a 12-fold diffusion of potential. And that this 12-fold diffusion of potential, the eternal space, has as its symbol, space equals 12. Now, how it equals 12, our own intuitive nature may not tell us. But when man thinks space, or man experiences space, he receives the instinctive impulse.
Just had my video up there and I lost it. Damn.
12, therefore, is the absolute symbol of potential in number, and was so accepted.
Had my video up there and I lost it. Damn.
Potential is that which rests forever in
Had my video up there and I lost it.
or
Damn.
within itself, invisible, unknown, unchanging, and space, eternity.
Had my video up there and I lost it. Damn.
Being, unconditioned, must archetypally, psychologically,
I just had my video up there and I lost it. Damn.
the motion of potential into potency, the emergence of things, causes the 12 powers to burst forth into the form of a septum.
Yeah, that's going on like a motherfucker.
And one of the greatest mysteries of ancient Hindu
Yeah, that's going on like a motherfucker, you hear me?
was the possibility of dividing the 7 creative gods equally
That's
into the
wild.
12
That's
creative
good.
powers without a remainder. And that was a fine mathematical problem, and it was solved. It is possible that 7 can be distributed evenly through 12, and at the same time neither the 12 nor the 7 fractionalized in any way. This was one of the old calculations of the Hindus. I've seen the calculation made.
So what does that mean? Oh,
But by this means, therefore, 12, eternally moving into 7,
So what does that mean? Open.
causes a septenary